Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dora AI. First, navigate to the Dora AI website and sign up for an account, which is a straightforward process using your email or Google. Once logged in, you'll find your dashboard, your central hub for managing projects. To begin, simply click Create New Project, then define your website's purpose and provide a concise description of your vision. This initial step guides the AI in crafting your unique site. Dora AI revolutionizes design by generating initial website layouts directly from your text prompts. You can select from numerous custom styles or presets to match your brand's aesthetic. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to easily add and arrange elements such as text, images, and buttons. Dora AI intelligently coordinates these elements, ensuring a cohesive and user-friendly design, and even offers AI-driven suggestions to enhance your site's visual appeal. Beyond basic design, Dora AI offers powerful tools for advanced customization. You can integrate captivating three-dimensional models and create intricate animations using the precise keyframe timeline feature. The platform automatically generates responsive layouts, ensuring your site looks excellent on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can also apply custom visual and branding styles, and even import three-dimensional models in GLB format to craft truly immersive and interactive web experiences. Once your design is perfected, publishing your Dora AI website is simple. You can instantly publish your site using a free Dora Run domain. For more advanced needs, paid plans provide access to features like custom domains and the ability to integrate custom code. You also have the option to export your website files, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, for deployment on your preferred hosting platform. Remember to join the Dora AI community for ongoing support and to showcase your innovative designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.